Hey learners, welcome to Night Graphics. In this detailed course on how to work with Adobe Illustrator, the first topic we have been discussing is the shape tools. We discussed rectangle tool in the first lesson and rounded rectangle in the second one. In case you have missed those lessons, I have put the links in the description of this video. In this lesson, we'll discuss the ellipse tool, which is the third option that you get under the shape tools. But first of all, come to the view menu and hide the bounding box. Now long press this rectangle tool button and ellipse is available right here. Okay, as the name suggests, ellipse tool helps you draw elliptical or circular shapes. Now as we know that Shift key is used to control the proportions of shapes drawn in Illustrator. Here also pressing Shift key while drawing proportions the ellipse equally, which means that the width and height value of the drawn circle will be equal. Pressing Alt key while drawing will draw a center outward circle, which means the circle will be drawn taking your point of click as center. Press Shift and Alt keys together while drawing and you'll get an equally proportioned center outward circle. Press spacebar while drawing and you can drag the shape to anywhere on the artboard. Now as you're seeing, I've been drawing these shapes randomly. But what if I want specific values for this ellipse shape? For that, just click once on the artboard. Here appears this dialog box. Put in the width and height values here and you have this. Now let's talk about this constraint button here. You can use it to fix the proportion of the width and height values of the circle. Say I want a circle having width 3 times higher than the height value. Put 3 here in the width column and 1 in the height column and turn this constraint button on. Now the ratio of width and height has been fixed to 3:1. Now enter any value for the height and width will get adjusted to its 3 times higher value. Center outward circle can also be drawn by putting specific values. For that, click once on the artboard with Alt key pressed. Put in the values here and ellipse will be drawn taking your point of click as center. And that was all for the ellipse tool. In the next lesson, we'll discuss the polygon tool. Thanks for watching Night Graphics. Keep practicing and stay well.